In this video, I'll be showing you how to install the Samsung Messages app on your Samsung Galaxy A57. Now, if you're missing the Samsung Messages app and you would like to return it, what you're going to do is simply open up the Galaxy Store. And then from here, you're going to use the search function and you're going to type in the word Samsung Messages. So search, and then Samsung Messages. You should see it listed in the search results, so you can go ahead and select it, and then simply go ahead and tap on install and wait for it to be downloaded onto your phone. Once it's been successfully installed, you can tap on open to launch it. Simply ensure that you've given it access to your calls, messages, on all sorts of things. And then once you've done that, you can go ahead and set it as your default messaging app and start using it on your Samsung Galaxy A57. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you in the next video.